Namaste. Sarvangasana, a complete posture that provides overall benefits. Let's see level by level. Beginners, sit in Dandasana. Bend forward. This is also called intense waist stretch posture. Stay for 20 seconds. Inhale. Roll back on the floor, raising your legs, hips and spine off the floor. Hold your lower back and straighten your spine. Fix your gaze. Exhale. Roll up and sit in Dandasana. Second level. Bring your legs closer to your hips. Inhale. Raise your legs off the floor. Do not talk, cough or move your head. Keep your mind free from thoughts. Focus on your mind. Exhale. Roll up. Sit in Dandasana and prepare for third level. Stay in this position for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Lay down. Inhale. Raise your legs off the floor, keeping your knees straight. Inhale while lifting up. Keep your chin locked. Focus on your breath. Stay steady with even breathing. Sarvangasana variations. This asana massages brain, heart and lungs, balances hormones and emotions, relieves depression, anxiety, asthma, bronchitis, sinusitis, headaches, relieves thyroid problems, palpitations, leg pain, enhances metabolism, relieves high and low BP, diabetes, indigestion, varicose veins, constipation, relieves hemorrhoids, incontinence, menstrual and menopausal problems, energizes lymphatic system, strengthens immune system, prevents diseases. Sarvangasana nourishes brain, heart, lungs, all abdominal organs and the endocrine glands. Impure blood from lower extremities flows smoothly into the heart and the heart is relaxed. The brain is nourished. The spine becomes stronger and the mind calm. When you develop back pain, come out of the asana immediately. It takes several months to straighten the spine and align legs in line with hips. Do not practice when you have retinal detachment, high BP, cardiac disease, neck, inner ear or dental issues. Those with high BP, thyroid problems must practice with an experienced teacher and learn the proper technique. Exhale. Slowly come down without lifting your head up. Press your palms and elbows firmly on the floor. Keep your knees straight. Take deep inhalations and exhalations. Relax. Counter posture 1. Bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana. Counter postures must be performed after Sarvangasana and its variations to avoid injuries and to relieve stiffness of the body. Come out from Setu Bandhasana. Relax with small hip rotations. Counter posture 2. Pavana Muktasana or gastric release pose. Counter poses are very important for pain and strain relief after completion of main powerful posture. Relax. Counter posture 3. Markatasana, an overall counter posture to this sequence, which relaxes your spine. This relaxed pose also strengthens and aligns discs and vertebrae. Relieves all types of spine, hip and back pains like lower back pain, sciatica pain. Also relieves stiffness in neck and shoulders. Come out of counter posture, straighten your legs, take deep inhalations and long exhalations, relax, inhale, exhale, raise and sit in Padmasana or any comfortable sitting posture. Take 5 deep inhalations and long exhalations. Take some long inhalations and exhalations. Chant Om Mantra loudly at least 3 to 5 times. And silence Om chanting at least 3 to 5 times. Relax and meditate with silence chanting. Take small breaths. Fully meditation mode. Concentrate on your mind. Keep your focus on the focal point, that is in between 2 eyebrows. Take simple breaths. Relax. Thank you.